We are trying to transform the interior of the F-150, and I have a helper here with me. So if you hear, it's my son. He's around, so he might as well just start learning from now. But the goal here is to remove the seats. I'm gonna replace the carpet with new carpet. You guys saw how bad the carpet was. Clean the seats, clean the interior, upgrade the lights, just make a better interior overall. It's not gonna be perfect, so let's get to work. Just sit back, grab your coffee or your beer and enjoy. So far, the back part though, it's like awful to do. Like there are some clamps. I'll show you when we go inside, but it's pretty much done. I will just pull the carpet now. This is gonna be garbage anyway. I took the trim piece out. I still have a couple trim pieces to take it out, and then I'm gonna clean the interior because there's so much room for cleaning the interior like this. There are just a couple like 10 millimeters that I need to take it out, and then I should be able to pull the entire carpet out. The seats, I'm gonna shampoo. I'm gonna use the extractor and try to make a little better. This one's pretty beat up. I don't know how much we can get out of this, but let's keep working. With all the cleaning that you just saw, it has been multiple days, but I think today we are heading to the end. And as you saw, I cleaned everything. Everything is clean, all the seats, everything, the inside of the truck is clean. I didn't show that much because I lost the footage, but I'll show you here how clean it is. It's super clean. Everything is clean. I cleaned the glass and everything. The only thing is missing to clean is the doors, but the doors I can clean later. So what am I gonna do now? We're gonna put the carpet back on. And to put the carpet, we're definitely not gonna put the old one. and the truck. So I got a brand new carpet. Look at this babe, brand new. We changed the color too because for what my father-in-law is gonna use the truck, that color, that brownish color would not do it. It's just would be terrible. Yeah, my dog is going crazy. It would be terrible, so we picked like a gray. It's brand new, 170 bucks, you cannot beat. So let's put this bad boy in the truck. The only thing I need to do is the holes to put the seats and the vents, and we should be it should fit pretty well. I don't know, I probably have to cut a little bit here, a little bit in there, but we'll see. Let's try. Not sure how much the time-lapse show, but here is the final product. It fits pretty well though, a little trouble, but again, we are not looking for perfection. We are looking to make this truck better, and it is 100% better. Now we're gonna do the reverse process, which is putting the seats back on, connect everything, make sure that everything works, and then we're gonna we should be able to do the lights, and should be it. Man, it smells so good here right now. Perfect, perfection. So 170 bucks for the carpet. Yeah, the holes, I made the holes for the, you know, the seats. Should be a plug and play kind of thing. We'll see how that goes, and we go from there, right? Hope you guys like it as much as I did enjoy the process. I'll tell you what, putting seats, especially the truck seats, it's not fun. They're heavy. Hi, how are you? Let me help you.
Time for headlights. I guess they could be.
Well, they are not cheap.
That's what I said. I guess they could be high end depending on what it is, huh?
Yeah, it's for that car. I'm quite sure the battery is dead because, I mean, I told you, zero battery. There you go. Alright, I don't know why the front didn't work, so the back it is. That's the bulb, the way it is, the new one. I'm not sure if it's gonna work though. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Ah, it's hot. Ah. Man, LED is so much better. I don't know why people don't do this. Look, simple plug and play, and I don't know if the camera is catching the difference though. Boom, perfect. For the gauge cluster, I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but we're gonna give this a try. I really wanna buy a new gauge cluster, the one with the white background, but my father-in-law doesn't want to spend the money, which I don't blame him though. We don't know what this truck's going and what's gonna happen with, and so on and so forth. I don't know if you guys can see, but the lights are on. So let's see how much better that gets when we put the new ones on. You just need to be careful with any harness. It's a bunch of clamps, see? go. There we go. Ah, there we go. Boom. So I need to order LED lights that fits. So for now, we're gonna just install this cover that I got from Amazon for the it's pretty beat up, and this cover was the same that I use on the Corvette, which should fit like this. $14 Amazon, you cannot beat. This fits so well. This one was a little harder than the other ones that I did, but I think it came out great, right? The feel is good, should be good. Now, let's finish the seat. I got some foam, I'm gonna put some tape on it, and we're gonna call it a day. I know it's a different color, it's almost impossible to find the same color, but we're gonna, regardless, we're gonna put like a cover here, so it's not gonna make any difference, but it's way comfortable now. The interior is looking fresh. The only thing missing is the dash that I'm still waiting for the light, and then we're gonna do a final closing. I'm getting excited to get like a project truck to do the same thing, bring to life. Here, see? Those are from Amazon, and we're gonna just take one out like this, and the bulb's coming out. How it's gonna look like. Pretty simple, straightforward. I hope it works though. So I'm gonna swap all 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, so all 12, and we should be ready to put this back. It's so bright that it's even hard to show you guys. Let's see if the truck starts. There we go. I can't even show you here because it's so bright. Of course the camera doesn't adjust because I can see perfect. So all right, just started raining, but I want to show you guys this. Look, everything is LED, everything is working. So just there's one thing left, which is the mat, and one more touch. I finished last night, and since this car has like it smells good here, but I want to make even better, I bought this refresher air on the whole car thing. So the way you do, you put it over here and you turn on your car, turn your car on, and you blast it on the max, right? And you hit circulate it. Okay, you open the cam like this, and you hit the trigger, and that will do. And you close out the door and let this do the same. So that's how it goes. Yeah, that's the final touch. Let's see how that looks like. Yeah, man, this looks so much better. Look at this. Oh man, it smells great here. It's definitely like a makeover though. I know it's hard to show on video, but look at this. So much cleaner, so much nicer. I think overall it took me a week between cleaning, waiting for drying, waiting for parts, waiting for the lights and so on and so forth. But man, the results came out great. Let me know what you think. This definitely got me excited to do another project. Like, the reason why I like to do project like this one, it's because you definitely see the results. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's so much better. It smells better. Of course, it's more comfortable because we fix all this stuff. Pretty on budget. I don't think we spend too much money on it, but dude, it looks so much better. Now the next step is probably gonna be paint the fenders, and then I'm gonna do like a wash and polish. I'll try to polish the hood and all the other parts, but mainly we're gonna paint the fenders and the front bumper. That lower part I'll probably leave black because I'm gonna do more black accents. Maybe new wheels, we'll see. But let me know what you guys think. I heard you guys about the Corvette, so we're gonna do an update here really soon. Maybe next upload is gonna be a Corvette update, but we are heading to car season and I cannot wait. We're gonna start work on the Corvette. That's why I need to get this one done. It's basically done. I need to wait for a nice day like this. Today would be perfect to paint, but I need to wait a good day so I can paint it. But besides that, it's coming along. I hope my father-in-law and my mother-in-law, they're gonna be happy with the truck, because I'm pretty happy. I'm dying to drive that thing the way it is. I might have just gonna get gas because I need gas and I'll enjoy a little bit. I'll see you guys next one. Thanks for watching. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.